I love you too. You're my best friend. Oh, hi, boys and girls. It's story time with Cheryl again. Today we're going to read a book, and I also want to remind you that it happens to be National Read a Book Month. So we're going to read a book once a week for this month. So make sure you tune in. And today we're going to read a book titled Grumpy Bird. And The Grumpy Bird is by Jeremy Tankard. So let's get started. I think we can kind of figure out what it's about. So Grumpy Bird, when Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. He was too grumpy to fly. Really? A bird that's too grumpy to fly? Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Okay. So Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Well, that was nice of Sheep to keep him company. So Bird continued to walk. And as Bird walked past Rabbit, Rabbit says, what are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Oh, wow, everybody's so nice. How can Bird be grumpy and everybody's nice? Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Okay. Boy, he's got a lot of them hanging around with him. All right, Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by putting one foot in front of the other. Oh, you're walking. Yes, Beaver. I love walking. I'll come too. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Wow, look at there. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped too. Bird stood on one leg. What do you think they did? The other animals stood on one leg too. This is starting to look like fun. Bird jumped, they jumped. Oh, wow. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Now all of a sudden, Bird's not so grumpy anymore, and everyone's smiling and happy. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest and have a snack. The end of story. And they all did. They went back to the nest and had a snack. I just want you guys to remember that anytime you're feeling grumpy, because we all can sometimes, but when you do, I want you to remember the story and understand and remember that if you feel grumpy, you don't have to. And my friends want to say goodbye to you. Bye, boys and girls.